So what happens if your little kid is just riding his scooter around and suddenly falls and scrapes his knee? Well, our bodies have an immune system that prevent foreign invaders from entering and causing us harm. Our immune system has PRRs, or pattern recognition receptors, that recognize PAMPs, that are patterns in pathogenic molecules such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and more. TLR4, or toll-like receptor 4, is a PRR expressed on the cell surface of several types of immune system cells, such as dendritic cells and macrophages. TLR4 recognizes LPS. So the question is, what is LPS? LPS, or lipopolysaccharide, is a large molecule that forms a coating on the outside of a gram-negative bacteria that can create a toxin that causes collapse of the circulatory and respiratory systems, a condition otherwise known as shock. Our innate immune system does a pretty good job at keeping foreign invaders at bay. But what happens when an infection occurs?
An overgrowth of gram-negative bacteria in the system causes LPS to detach from the outer membrane of the bacteria. The LPS is then picked up by the host LPS-binding protein present in the blood and extracellular fluid and tissues. LPS is then transferred from LPS-binding protein to CD14 present on the surface of macrophages, neutrophils, and dendritic cells. The CD14 then delivers and loads LPS to the ectodomain of TLR4. TLR4 is then able to detect LPS with the help of another accessory protein, MD2. Once the LPS, TLR4, CD14, and MD2 sandwich forms, this recruits another TLR4 receptor to the party, initiating a cascade of signaling events that warns the cell of the foreign invader. The most important part of this cascade is that it activates the transcription factor nuclear factor kappa B, otherwise known as NFKB, that is the main activator of inflammation. NFKB induces expression of cytokines and chemokines that are released into the bloodstream, recruiting immune cells to block the growth of gram-negative bacteria. So the next time your child falls and scrapes his knee, put a band-aid over it, pat him on the head, and tell him TLR4 might have saved his life. The end.